We are down to the last question for tonight, and that will be given by our chairman of the Board of Judges.
Good evening.
Good evening po.
Maridel.
Yeah, so po.
Kinakabahan ka?
Slice po.
Kinakabahan din ako kasi baka mamaya may iba tayo. May iba yung question. Isang question lang sa lahat ng natin sa loob. Yung question ko natin. I'm sorry. Binasa niyo po ba yung mga qualifications ng mga judges niyo? Hindi naman. Okay. Anyway. Okay. What role do you believe a title holder can play in raising awareness about disaster preparedness? What role do you believe a title holder can play in raising awareness about disaster preparedness?
Yes po, I believe that a title holder is raising awareness to all of the people here in Aborlan in our community. And it was an honor and responsibility as a title holder to be a voice that comes to everyone. And that's all. Thank you.
Alright. So the question will be given to us by the very beautiful chairman of the Board of Judges.
Hi, good morning, Ms. Anwar.
Hi po.
Yung question po natin, what role do you believe a title holder can play in raising awareness about disaster preparedness? Ano po sa tingin mo yung magiging role, kunyari ikaw yung title holder, na ma-raise natin yung awareness natin pagdating sa disaster response or disaster preparedness?
Given an opportunity to win the crown tonight, it is beyond personal achievement, and I will use my title, my platform, to influence others, to be a good example and a role model to prepare for the disasters that is coming. And I will also use the social media in influencing and to spread awareness regarding those disasters. That's all. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much for this. Sanwa. Hi.
Hello, good evening po. It's a wonderful opportunity to meet all of you. Especially, I would like to greet a very good evening to our honorable Mayor, Jaime Ortega, as well our 3rd District Board Member, Gino Ortega, as well our Vice Mayor and the whole Sangguniang Bayan. I would also to acknowledge the presence of our beloved SK, no other than Christopher Casuga. Thank you for your support, and especially to my parents who are watching on the side. Thank you so much for the support, and especially to the youth of Poblacion. Thank you very much. Yes po. I'm sorry.
Okay. Para kayo na ng question mo.
Sorry.
Anyway, what role do you believe as a title holder can play in raising awareness about disaster preparedness?
Thank you so much for the wonderful question. As a title of Team Indian Aborlan 2024, I will use this opportunity to influence the youth, not just provide that, but also through social media. That because you have that title, therefore you have already influencing other people, not just in person, but also in social media. By social media, we can use that platform to prepare for the disaster risk reduction in our community. And I thank you.
Board of Judges, the chairman will be reading the question twice. So, let's give the floor.
Hello, Ms. Nicole.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Feeling nervous.
Okay. So here's the question. What role do you believe as a title holder can play in raising awareness about disaster preparedness?
Again.
Sorry. What role do you believe as a title holder can play in raising awareness about disaster preparedness?
Thank you for that question. I believe as a title holder, you need to have an attitude that is to act as a leader and to serve and to serve people and to encourage them to be prepared in case of disaster. That will be all. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much. So Miss Abapapo, our chairman will be reading the question twice. So you better listen to her. Madam.
Thank you, sir. Ms. Abapapo, can I your question? What role do you believe as a title holder can play in raising awareness and disaster preparedness? What role do you believe as a title holder can play in raising awareness about disaster preparedness?
A role that is mentally prepared and for you to be able to prepare yourself for a disaster ahead of time, because you don't really even know that the disaster will come or we may experience it. If you prepare yourself for it, you'll be able to solve it with preparedness and safety. That's all. Thank you.
All right, Miss Kapitan. Babasahin ang tanong ng ating chairman. So you better listen. That will be read twice. Madam.
Okay, good evening. Ito pa yung question. What role do you believe as a title holder can play in raising awareness and disaster preparedness? What role do you believe as a title holder can play in raising awareness about disaster preparedness?
As a Lugyan ng Aborlan 2024, the rule that must be used as to spread awareness as to our disasters management is that having an activities that will enhance our awareness on how to protect our environment and how to avoid risk.
Time is up. Alright, maraming salamat po. Alright, Miss Iraan, babasahin ang tanong ng 2 beses by our chairman. So, listen carefully.
Good evening, Ms. Iraan. This is your question. What role do you believe as a title holder can play in raising awareness and disaster preparedness? Again, what role do you believe as a title holder can play in raising awareness about disaster preparedness?
Thank you po. Bilang title holder, naniniwala po ako na dapat manggaling po sa akin mismo yung action na kailangan po maging role model ako sa aking kapwa para maging prepared kami sa disasters na mangyayari sa ating lugar. Kailangan ko po maging isang ehemplo sa kanila na dapat kailangan natin maging aware sa mga nangyayari sa paligid natin. Yun lamang po. Thank you.
Alright. So the question will be read twice by the chairman of the board of judges. So better listen. Madam, the floor is yours.
Good evening, Mrs. O.
Good evening po.
Okay, here's the question. What role do you believe as a title holder can play in raising awareness about disaster preparedness? Again, what role do you believe as a title holder can play in raising awareness about disaster preparedness? Ano po yung role mo as a title holder na makapag-raise ng awareness about disaster preparedness?
So I will use title to prevent awareness about disasters.
Alright, time is up. That's fine, okay.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Saudi.